Click on the link below to get price. The Apple iPhone 13 Pro and Alpine Green, boasting 256GB of storage, is a remarkable blend of premium design and cutting-edge technology, making it a worthy contender in the smartphone market. This renewed premium model is particularly appealing, offering significant savings without compromising on quality. Upon unboxing, the first thing that catches your eye is the stunning Alpine Green finish. The color is both elegant and unique, setting it apart from the more common shades offered by other devices. The surgical-grade stainless steel frame and textured matte glass back add to the luxury feel, while the compact size makes it comfortable to hold and use. The Super Retina XDR display is a highlight of this device, measuring 6.1 inches and providing vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive brightness levels. Whether you're streaming videos or scrolling through photos, the quality is consistently top-notch. The promotion technology, with its adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensures smooth scrolling and responsiveness, greatly enhancing the overall user experience. Performance-wise, the iPhone 13 Pro is powered by Apple's A15 Bionic chip, which delivers lightning-fast speeds and exceptional efficiency. Apps open instantly, and multitasking is seamless, making it perfect for power users. The 256GB storage capacity offers ample space for photos, videos, and apps, alleviating the worry of running out of storage. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the advanced camera system, featuring a triple lens setup that excels in various lighting conditions. The night mode and ProRAW capabilities provide stunning results, making it easier to capture professional-grade images. Battery life is impressive, easily lasting a full day with regular use, and the device supports fast charging and MagSafe accessories, adding convenience to the experience. Overall, the Apple iPhone 13 Pro and Alpine Green, renewed premium, is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a high-quality smartphone that combines aesthetics, performance, and value. It stands out as a reliable and stylish option that meets the demands of modern users.